Hey man, welcome back guys for another video. You know it's a girl Camille. So guys, this morning I just walk out on the seaside, go sit down, do a little meditation, and make you guys see what I go and take a wash off. And you don't know, drink a one jelly on the way if me see none. And then we the guys. So me and my little buckle of water chat with me. So just come along with me guys. Ashley, you now come out to see. Yeah, go up a hills. Alright. One day me a come in a hills, you know. Alright. Yeah man guys, so me a walk out there now. Long time I not gonna see you guys. Take a little wash off. Yeah, apple tree there, blossom apple tree guys. The blossom back in now. When the blossom them in the tree. Yeah, blossom, you say the blossom them pretty. Look at this one guys. Pretty. So you know so the apple tree have a load back again guys. Bare blossom them there. And I don't know. Strawberry there guys, he now left me now. Me and him a try the way go out there, you know. Yeah man, come in strawberry. No say now left me. Yeah man guys, just stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Yeah man guys, so as me say, yeah, chat along the way now guys. Yeah man. Oh, strawberry there. Oh, strawberry in front of me there guys. It's a Patsy boy look like him a go on the work guys.
That is it enough for you.
Yeah man, Patsy boy there.
One Camille vlog.
Yeah.
That is it man. Yeah man. One family, one Lena family man.
Yeah, that is it man. One unity, everything.
That is it man.
Aye.
Big up Camille.
Yeah. Go on it now guys. Stay tuned guys. Watch what I go on. Yeah man guys, when I reach it, you know, it's still up on my way. Me and strawberry. I went there again. Come. Oh. You stop on a pee strawberry. Alright. One of nice beautiful flowers there guys. Same flowers like what I have down a yard. Yeah man, same flowers. I have down a yard. Yeah man. Pitney they make us sing song there so boy they not easy. Hi, come on. Yeah. Out at sea. Me I go meditate. Me alone. Me and strawberry. How was strawberry there? Yeah man guys, stay tuned. Watch how I go on. Man guys, see a little banana there. In a radiating it's still young. Remember when me the smaller guys, my grandmother used to use the size banana like them here and boil tea and sweeten it with coconut juice or tin milk. Nice guys, and I say one of the time me I go do a video with it guys. Like fry some dumpling a can saltfish and use the banana, the young banana, and make tea. Go do it one of the time guys. So whenever I do it, you know we see it guys. On the train line, me the same way guys are going on. I'm gonna reach on Seaside road yet. Go on the Seaside same way. Banana, the pantry, the one they soon can peel. Cause from the hurricane blow guys, they hardly can find banana. But everything. They are too nice lovely bunch there. I'm gonna cut through the scheme here now guys. Me a turn now. So go up on Seaside road now guys. Yeah man. Yeah man guys, just stay tuned in man. Man guys, so we reach on Seaside road. See that? So the main road there guys. So that would be the entrance. So out on Seaside road now guys. All over here, so guys, some lovely bunch of plant and banana is over here. So I'm going to tell you, so the hurricane will come, mash up everything. Yeah, man, guys. So, one fisherman, I go out, you know, guys, you know, want to go on the camera, but I just tell you, no, gone out on the sea. Yeah, man, guys. Eh? Eh? So, guys, them over there, so, one man upon some cassava. And see few little jelly on the tree there. Oh. Fisherman that I gotta see, guys. When I see my cousin Tata and goodly gone already. This one bush up a gully over there, so guys. Time I not come out here, so you know, guys, I can't believe I say road mash up. On the road, man, you're gonna just walk nice to go out there, road mash up, guys. Can't even ride bicycle come out here again. Can't even drive a nice car come out here again. The road mash up. It may look like a tractor wheel. I'm going to make one black factory out here too. See in a lease fan there, guys. See the water there, but it bush up all kind of bamboo and everything in it. Can't see nothing too clear. Some big perch. You see in a lease fan, guys. Some big perch. You would mash up, man. So there, road mash up. See water there, guys. Remember when I was much younger, I did my place where I catch crab all at night. Where I catch crab. Here the sea, guys. Just one crab in the hole, guys, but him run. Hey man, we are reach out on the sea now. We are reach out on the beach now, guys. So we are reach out on the beach now, guys. We're going to reach out on the beach here now. Reach here now, guys. So we're going there. This one more there. This one more, guys. Yeah man, guys, I see. At the same least one I show you guys. At the mouth, this in one time the mouth used to run. Go in at the sea. Used to run, go straight in at the sea. Some little perch in there. See them there? I swim up and down, guys. Perch in there. I swim up and down. So the water clean and pretty, guys. Some big perch in this, man. Yeah man, guys, you see the water clean and pretty. Clean. Look at the water, guys. It clean. You can see the bottom. I come back up on a fisherman out here, so guys. See him there? He might look bait. We go see. Might look bait. We go see, guys.
YouTube?
Yeah. Bait. He might look. We go see. So, perch him still in this, no?
Yeah, man.
You have set like fish pot.
Yeah, perch, you know.
So he would then still dive and shoot perch?
Yeah, man.
Boy, I'm afraid of the water, yeah.
Yeah, man, the water is good, man.
Oh, good.
Yeah, man.
He clean still.
When see you up,
Yeah.
then you go for one next one up, sir. Up fish.
Oh. Yeah. Cause remember one day I used to catch some big perch. And you know, so me love them perch there. Yeah, man, me love them perch them and the black perch them. You fry them, they fry them crisp.
You like river fish now, sea fish, we do this.
Oh, me love river fish. Me like fry them, season them and fry them crisp and then you cook it down in a coconut juice.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, man, guys. So, that is it, man. So just stay tuned and watch what go on. Yeah, man, guys. So we reach out on the seaside, guys. So don't know, as I say, me I come with a little meditation. Me I go make you see when me take a little wash off cause me say a long time me not come out pan the sea. Go take a little wash off, guys. So you see not too rough today still. Even though me afraid of walk, me go in there, guys, it not pass me ankle, you know, me I sit down right pan shore and the water backs up cause me can't swim. So it not pass me ankle. So just stay tuned, guys, and watch what go on. One time, you just see whole heap of arm man, guys. Me not even see no arm man when me can broke. Not even see no arm man. Me still have 2 fish for roast. Come on, guys, me gonna take a little wash off, you know, guys. Watch what go on. Wash off, guys. Water cool and nice. Now we time to take a wash off, guys. Yeah, man, guys. That is it, guys. So just stay tuned and watch what I want. Guys, so me buck up on a fisherman here, guys. Yeah, my sharp means spear. As you can see, my sharp means spear, guys. Just a clear, yeah, man. See your weapon there? You might go up on the seaside. See him fin them there, guys, and everything.
The next shooter come up on top.
Oh, yeah, man. See the next shooter there come. Remember now when they shoot, they're not missing, no, guys.
The guys not stay tuned with Camila thing and we don't know what go on later.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. That is it, man. Don't so now go.
Yeah.
All right. That is it, guys. So, guys. No, son, go back to water alone, me can't. I me as if it's not care 2 crackers or something. Water alone, me care. Guys, yeah, go ahead and out here now, you know. Mama tell me really that come stay long. So me head out back now, guys. Come on guys, I head on out here out back now. So just journey along, you guys journey along with me coming out. So I want to just journey along with me going out back guys. Come on guys, so head out back here now. Fisherman then gonna see me think Muda can get 2 fish guys, but just have to sip my water. Them I go them just a go see. Yeah man, out back where you go now guys. Yeah man guys, just stay tuned. Watch how I go. Yeah man guys, when I reach out yet, you know, me still the on my way I go out. Same way. I can at the pan tree. There, man. Yeah, guys. Still up on my way head home. We reach out back to the entrance so we turn off. Here, guys, a little wash up. They feel nice. Guys, a long time I'm not going to want to see water, you know. Long time, you know. I go to sea, but I'm not going to the water. Come on, guys. Go back to my little truck. On the main road, but me I take the train line, guys. Yeah, man, guys. So I'm on the train line. We'll go down on my home now. So I almost reach home. So yeah, guys, you know this make it today in the video, you know, guys. So I don't know if you do already. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Camille Vlog, guys. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And do please remember to watch the ads and watch out the video, guys. Yeah, that is it, man. Yeah, man, guys. You look a wash off what I see and feel nice, guys. That is it. Man, guys, check in back. So see the fisherman here where the other seaside, guys. Let me tell you, say I go check off now. See there and get some lovely fish, guys. So I go on there, guys. Some lovely fish. Lovely parrot.
Show them, show the people them go on, man. Because people need to show go on, you know. Coming. They don't know coming.
You can put the two fin, man. So lovely fish, guys. See them there, guys. Some lovely fish him go catch, you know.
Nice dinner fish.
Yeah, man, nice. And I feel me type of fish them in a parrot. Parrot, me love.
You adore that. No, don't worry that kind of movie.
Honey and Dory.
You
The
know,
fish?
remember it showing you Finding Nemo and Dory I want
Oh, yeah.
No, don't worry that.
Yeah, man, guys, and you see what I go on?
You want to see Nemo now?
So lovely fishing, man. Put the one that can say this, you know. Yeah, man, guys, see what I go on there? Some lovely fishing catch, guys.
When will I eat a girl now?
Man.